Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. If you don't know me, if you do know me, you know my name's Amber. Today, as you can tell, we're doing a Shein clothing haul. So this is the first time I've ever bought from Shein, so this is like my first ever impression. So here I am, like top off, full insecurities out, ready to show you guys what these clothes look like on my body. One of the things I got was this asymmetrical puff sleeve. It's really nice. As you can see, the dots aren't like just painted on, it's like little Velcro bits. I really like this t-shirt. I don't know about you, but it's your girl. I don't normally wear clothes like this, but I'm feeling myself. This t-shirt cost me £3.85. That, I think, is an absolute steal. Like, look at it! I love that it's not puff on both sides. It's nice and asymmetrical, so it just gives you a different feel to each side. But overall, I really like this. If I just tuck it in here, it should. Oh, look at that! It's your girl. Okay, I'm done dancing. So this is the first t-shirt and I'm really happy. The material is quite stretchy, as you can see, so if you get a size that's a bit too small, it should be alright because it'll just stretch that little bit. But I think this is the perfect size I bought. Yeah, it's gorgeous. I love it. 10 out of 10 for this one, definitely. Come on, look at it. Okay, next one. This is a cherry v-neck that I got, and you know what? My boobs aren't actually that bad. Look at them. So obviously you're supposed to tie these things, but I can't bother to do that. And it looks, to be honest, it looks a bit small around the arms. Like, look, if I wanted to tie it, it'd just stay out. Like, I'd have to properly pull it, but you can't. But it's alright. I'd probably cut these off or just tie them loosely so they look nice. I really am liking this one. I like this one because it's a v-neck. I don't normally get stuff that's like this low plunging, but I actually feel a bit girly. Like, usually I'm wearing just regular crew neck t-shirts. The material doesn't stretch at all, but it does have a zip on the side here. So getting it on is a bloody breeze. And it cost me £7.34, which was a bit expensive for what it is in my opinion. Like, that other t-shirt I got was like half price, and in my opinion I like that t-shirt way better. So this one gets like a 8 out of 10. I don't like that it's got like zero support for the titties whatsoever, but like if I lean forward enough, they'd be coming out, okay? They'd just be out of here. Tuck into my jeans, it gives me like that. Walking out of bed in front of me in the morning. That's what this t-shirt reminds me of. So yeah, it's gorgeous. I love it. Okay, so this is the next one. This is actually a bodysuit. You can see it goes all the way down to the bottom. But I actually like it on the outside of these jeans. I don't know why, I'm just feeling it. Like, serious tit warnings, like if you do anything, if you move too fast, if you turn too fast, your tits out, that's it. I'm not really sure on this. I wouldn't ever wear it out, I don't think. It's a bit too much for me, it's a bit too much. But if I go to a festival and get brave one day, then maybe I will wear it. But I definitely, ooh, see, they nearly came out. All I did was turn around. Free the nipple and everything, but I don't want to show my nipple, so I'd get nipple covers. If you don't want to show your nipple, I'd get nipple covers too. This floral lace bodysuit actually cost me £3.43, which is amazing for like the whole bodysuit thing. It'd be nice as lingerie, I think. This is nice, but too out there for me just to wear as a regular top. So I give it like a 6 out of 10. It's very structured material too. I can't really show you, or all my titties will fall out. Why do people wear stuff like this? I'm just like, all I want to do is just cover myself back up and get in a coat and just be like, yeah, everybody, how you doing? But hopefully one day I can wear something like this because it does look really nice. Like, who can deny? Okay, that's enough. Okay, so this is actually a bodysuit, but I haven't like tied it because it's actually got like little press studs and I don't really like that. but it's fine. I really like the t-shirt, and I can just tuck these bits into my jeans, and boom, you got yourself a beautiful flowery t-shirt. I love this. Oh, it makes me feel like a great little girl. It's weird how clothes can just make you feel different. It is very bright. The goal for this haul was mostly don't buy black, Amber. Whatever you do, just don't buy black, because I got too much of that, and I want to express myself more through my clothes, but I don't really know what fashion sense to choose, so I'm probably just going to have them all and just sift through everything every so often. Puff sleeves, they just add structure. Like, if you could wear this with like a skirt and it'd look so nice. Oh, you look like a queen. It's the How Queen. You meant to like do this thing up at the back, but I can't like do it, so I haven't. So this actually cost me £2.29. That is cheap as hell. I don't know about you, but come on. This whole ass thing for £2.29. You can't even buy that shit at Primark. I might wear this tomorrow because I'm going Cleethorpes for 3 days, 3 nights. I don't know. I'm going Cleethorpes tomorrow, so I'm gonna wear this. This t-shirt, I don't know about you, but this is vibes every day. I love it. This is my favourite, I think. This is my favourite t-shirt. Wait, is it right at the back? I don't even know. But when I lifted my arm up then, my nipple came out, so it's not very good for someone like me who, when I go somewhere, I'm not like just stood there like, I'm like, yeah, let's go, woo! Nipple could have just come out then. Well, I'm pretty sure it did. Like, my nipple is like right there. Maybe it's meant to like all the way up here, and then that's just meant to like ruffle down maybe. Anyway, I love these asymmetrical looks. They just look nice. I'm not really sure of any fashion terms or anything like that. I'm just showing you guys what these clothes look like and how the sizes really fit. Yeah, at first I tried putting this on without undoing that zip there, and it was a struggle. My titties were like, ah! But it's alright. My mum told me there's a zip on the side, so I was like, oh my god, are you kidding me? Yes! This t-shirt is beautiful. Oh my god, look at it. Oh. Okay, so this t-shirt gets a 9 out of 10. I'm sorry, but this titty situation is troubling me. I'm a very active person, and if there's nothing to stop the titty from just flopping out, then we got a problem. We got a problem. I got this crop top for $6.99, and I think that's great. It's more expensive than some of the things, but I do really like it, so I think it's worth the money. I don't know, I love it, me. This is definitely one of my favourite ones. Okay, so I've just put this so it goes over my nipples. So the reason I bought this t-shirt is because my friend, she's like into tarot and stuff, and she has something like this, and I saw it and I was like, oh, this reminds me of El Chanel. If you want to follow her on Instagram, then I'll put a link in the description down below. Also, this t-shirt cost me $4.20, and El Chanel, if you're watching this, you'll know how that relates to us. Yeah, I like it, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. I might give it to Leah. She might like this better than I do. It's too short for me, and I'm too insecure about this part of my body, so nah, bruh. And this is the last item of clothing that I wanted to show you guys. This dress is the reason why I even bought anything from Shein in the first place. And I really love it. Like, it's gorgeous. This dress is just so me. I love how like it covers all this part, but also it's a bit sassy in the back with a full open back, which is great. When I first put it on, I was like, oh, that open back, it doesn't feel right. But now I don't have a bra on, it just looks amazing. How can anybody hate this dress? It's amazing. And it only cost me a low price of £12.15, which I thought was absolutely amazing. So yeah, this is definitely my favourite buy because it was the thing that I wanted the most. And it turned out to be one of the best. Look at that. Oh. It's your girl. My titties aren't gonna fall out. it's just, you can just be who you want to be. Except it's a bit short on the butt, like my butt is there. If I bent over now, y'all would see my butt. This is the last of the clothing. I actually did have one other piece of clothing from Shein, but I've lost it already, so I can't show you guys. But it was like a turtleneck, it fit fine, it was a bit see-through, but it was alright. It was only like £4.90. I only bought it because I needed to make it to 100 so I could get 30% off my order. Now that we've got our jeans and t-shirt back on, we're going to try out some of these accessories that I also bought. Ugh, I shouldn't have done that. Can't bend over in these jeans. Ugh. First here we have a like belt that looks a bit like a, what's it called? The theme park. Okay, number one, it don't fit in the little things that you get in these jeans, so we're just gonna put it round this way. And then you just, boom, you get yourself a belt. It is great. It'd be good for things that it actually fits in. Unfortunately, these do not fit in these. I don't even know what these are called, these belt holders. They're not big enough to fit this in. And when it does, it just stops there, so there's literally no point whatsoever. Yeah, but this release buckle belt cost me £2.80, which I think is a bit extortionate now I think about it. But, not extortionate, but it's more expensive than it should have been. Because I just bought another two from Shein and it cost me like £3 for two, and this was £2.80 on its own, so I got robbed. And I got this chain, it's like a pant chain. This pant chain cost me £3.50. I'm not really sure where to put this first bit, but okay. So let's put that one there. Okay. So as you can see, I've got the pant chain on. I don't know why they call it that. And I really like it. Like, it adds some accessories to yourself without actually putting it on your like your wrists or your necklaces and stuff like that. I enjoy this accessory and it makes my butt look bigger. Shakira, Shakira, ooh baby, when you talk like that, you make a woman go mad. So be wise, na na na, and the size of my body. Oh, tonight, you know my hips don't learn, it's time to feel sweat. And I also bought these little earrings to go with this pant chain. So, nice little matching there. Rings that cost me £1.75. I know I haven't got my ears pierced, but I'm going to like take those little chains off the actual piercing bits and put it on a pair of clip-in earrings, so then it'll just be fine. It'll all be fine. It'll all be okay and alright. On the subject of earrings, I also bought these little paper clip ones too. These also cost me £1.75. I just bought them so that I could have some more ear accessories. I'm just going to turn these into clip-on earrings too because, as I said, I don't have my ears pierced and I never want them pierced ever again. This is one of the things that I'm not sure about. It's like a, I'll just show you guys. So it's like something that you put around yourself, like so. Probably would have looked better with a different t-shirt, but whatever. It's like this which I can't even see. See, I'm not sure on them. This is a bit smart, so I need to like make it better, but I don't know if I'm really feeling this. This is something I would never, don't think I'd ever wear outside. Maybe I'd wear it to like a festival, but I definitely wouldn't wear it outside. Like, this is one of the accessories I wish I never bought type thing. But it's alright, like, I thought I'd like it, but I didn't. And if I really don't like it one day, I can just sell it, can't I? It's nice, but I just don't know where the hell I'd wear it. It looks like cosplay more than actual, like, go outside. I don't know, when I pose like that, it looks like outside. I don't know. So this high felt actually cost £5.85, which is really good. Like, I only wasted a £5 on it because I don't like it. And I might find an outfit that eventually goes with it and I think, yes, amazing. But right now I'm not very sure on it. Okay, this is another pant chain, but this one has gummy bears on it. Look at them gummy bears. This is a very small pant chain. Look at that. That's not very big at all. Wait, is it supposed to be like that? No, we'll have like that. Okay, so just put that there like that. Chain's a bit of a smaller one, a bit of a subtler one than that one, just in case you want to go out and have some gummy bears on you, and then if any kids try to eat them and choke on them, you don't take responsibility. So this pant chain actually cost me £2.45, which is alright. It's just a little accessory to go with your clothes, to make you look a bit more edgy. I like them both together, to be honest. It's like, you know, you're walking down the street and you've got your high heels on and that, and you're making all them jingly noises and everyone thinks you're important. That's basically me. And as you can see, this t-shirt is a little bit too big on this arm. And then the last thing I have to review is this harness. Oh my god, the last time I put this on, it took me bloody ages to figure it out. Oh, I think I've got it already. Okay, so here we go. So you put that down there like that. You pull your hair up over it, and then you it like your seatbelt. Is this even a seatbelt? No. And then you wrap this around once, and then you're supposed to be able to just put this on there like that. But this is honestly a bit too small. Like, when you wrap it around once, like, nah. And that pops out. I mean, I still look nice, but I'm not. If I went out in something like this, I'd probably be drinking. And if I drank in this, I would get so bloated I would just take this off. So I don't really see the point in it. I like it though. I might keep it. Well, I am going to keep everything that I got because I am the type of person who, when I buy something and I don't like it, I don't send it back. I just keep it for a couple of years and then never wear it and then end up giving it to charity. So yeah, this is a bit tight, but you know, if I just lost a bit of my belly fat, I'd be alright. I'd be alright. That is everything. That's the whole Shein haul. I ordered everything on the 2nd of July and it came on the 14th, which is great because they said it comes in between 14 and 16 days, I'm pretty sure they said. So it came the least time. I'm glad it came before I went to Cleethorpes because now I can wear some of the stuff when I go there. And overall, I think it's a pretty good haul. I've already ordered more stuff off Shein, so you obviously know that it was a good deal and I really liked everything I got pretty much. It's very cheap, very good, very swag. I like it. This is my first ever like clothing haul, so if you guys would like to give me like tips and tricks on how to make these types of videos better, that'd be great. I felt a bit awkward having to explain clothes to you, like, oh look at this t-shirt, it's a t-shirt, it's just different shape. Look at this next t-shirt, different shape. I don't know, I'm just not very good at stuff like that. But I just wanted to show you guys everything I got. Show you guys that Shein actually has some very nice quality things that are cheap and you buy them and you get good fat and deals. Even though I've been skeptical on buying from Shein in the last few months. I don't know how long Shein's been around, but ever since I first saw it I was like, I'm not buying from you, you're gonna scam me. But they didn't. The things are actually quite good quality for the price I paid, so I think that's alright. That's the main thing in it. You want the quality for what you paid. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like me to do another one, then don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Share with your friends, I don't mind. And if you'd like to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram name is amine@hotmail.com. Wait, why did I say that? And if you'd like to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram name is @amberjade.hunter, and I think that's everything, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye!